Good afternoon, everyone. Let's talk about another very important topic of Calc software, that is goal seek option. Now, goal seek option is used just to do the reverse calculations, right? Let's better understand this with the help of an example. I'll share my screen. Now, if you see, we have a situation here that, let's say I want to invest 1 lakh rupees in a bank, let's say, and I want to invest it for 5 years, and I'm getting 2.5% at interest rate. So how will I calculate the interest? If you talk about applying a simple interest formula, so in simple interest, what we do is we multiply the principal amount by time, then multiply it by rate, and divide it by 100 to get the interest. Right. So I'm using the same formula. This formula can be different. Also, you can use the compound interest formula in case you want to. The thing is that uh, this is simply calculation of interest, right? So I'm getting 12,500 rupees as an interest out of 1 lakh rupees that I've invested, right? Now I want that I need an interest of, let's say, 50,000 rupees, and I want to use the same rate of interest, same time. How much capital I have to invest, right? So this calculation is done based on, this is just a reverse of the thing that we are doing right now. So we know exactly what interest I want. We know the rate of interest. We know the time, but I want to calculate how much capital I have to get to put up so that I can get an interest up to 50,000 rupees, let's say. It can be any value. The interest rate, it's up to you. If you want 1 lakh rupees and interest, how much in capital you want to calculate. So that can be calculated with the help of this goal seek option. So it's a kind of reverse calculation that we are doing. So we exactly know what is the final output, but we just want to find out what should be the input, right? So this we can achieve with the help of goal seek option in Calc, right? Now let's understand the steps how we are going to start with this. What I have done is I have put a formula over here for calculating interest. I've just shown you the formula is this. This is the formula B2 into B3 into B4 over 100. This is simply multiplying these two values and divided by 100. It's a simple interest formula. The same formula you have to enter here in the C2 cell where we are going to find out how much capital you want to find, you must invest, right? So first of all, these entries are to be done. Then you need to enter time here. You need to enter rate of interest here. You need to enter formula here, right? But this formula can be copied from this cell to this cell, or you can type it and change the cell reference. Like here in the column B, the formula is like this: B2 into B3 into B4 over 100. When you copy it from here and save it into C5, the formula changes into this. Okay, or you can type it. You can type C2 into C3 into C4 over 100. These cells are these three cells: 1, 2, and 3. Basically, we are finding the interest here out of three values given over here, right? Now to get into or to find out what should be the capital if I want a particular interest, then go to goal seek option. Now, how will we start with the goal seek option? Just go to tools menu, then click on goal seek option. You will find this window. In this dialog box, there are three things. First is the formula cell, then is the target value you need, and the variable cell. Formula cell is a cell in which you have entered the formula. Like we have entered the formula here in C5. So we'll type C5 here, or you just simply click on C5 cell. It will automatically take the cell number, the cell reference. Then how much value we want in this C5 cell. Like for example, I was talking about that I want 50,000 as an interest. So I'll put 50,000 here. And the variable cell is the capital cell or the capital amount cell where you want how much capital to be calculated or how much capital to be used. So we'll write the reference of C2 here. So C2, either you type $C2 or just click on the cell, this cell reference will automatically come, right? The dollar sign is just relative reference that we can, absolute reference we are giving. The dollar sign you can put yourself, you can type that for all of these. So these three things you have to enter. Now remember, I'll repeat again. Formula cell is a cell in which you have entered the formula. Target value, what value you want in this cell where your formula is written, and variable value which you want to find out how much capital you want to gain. That's it. You just have to click OK. The moment you click OK, it will show you that this is the amount, 4 lakh you have to invest. Then click on yes. This result will be shown here in this particular cell. So to get 50,000 rupees, you have to invest 4 lakh rupees for with the same time and same date of interest. Right? So this is all goal seek option is all about. I hope this is clear to you. So kindly go through the things once, do it yourself, right? And if still you need any help, find some problem somewhere, then we can discuss it later on. Text me anytime, right? Thanks a lot and have a nice day for you. Thank you.